Guys, in this video we will see how to fix if iMessage is signed out error on your iPhone. If you are receiving such type of message, that is iPhone iMessage is already signed in but you receive iPhone is sign out error, then here are the fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone and here look for messages settings, tap on it. Here turn off iMessages and wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that again turn on iMessages. So turn on and turn off iMessages. The second workaround to fix this issue is tap on settings again and here tap on general settings. Here tap on software update, and if any update available then simply download and install it in your system. In this case upgrade to iOS 18 is available, so you must upgrade to your iPhone with iOS 18 update. And check whether your iMessages is signed out error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone and here tap on general settings. Tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically is turned on, and if your iPhone is in having wrong date and time, then correct it. The next fixes is again tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on general settings again. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. Again tap on reset and choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone and again tap on reset network settings.